The ORION XTR654NEO slim mid-range speakers deliver impressively strong output with enough headroom to stay clear and composed even when driven hard in a serious car audio build. Their combination of high-power handling and solid efficiency means you can get very loud, dynamic mid-range performance without needing an extreme amplifier setup. The neodymium magnet and high-temperature voice coil keep the drivers lightweight yet robust, helping them handle long listening sessions without audible strain. A wide usable frequency range from the lower mid-bass into the upper mid-range lets these speakers cover vocals, guitars, and snare hits with convincing presence and detail. The bullet-style center helps project sound efficiently and extends the upper range, which is ideal for systems that need their mids to keep up with powerful subwoofers and tweeters. Despite the slim profile, the build feels purposefully engineered for pro-style car audio, making these a strong choice for door or custom panel installations where space is tight.